Welcome to my profile.
Hello, I am Harinder Vishwas, created Shopify and e-commerce expert with 7 years of experiences. My expertise include store setup, optimization and marketing, allowing me to create an effective and engaging online platform for businesses. I am currently working as a Shopify specialist at a company where I leverage my skill to enhance e-commerce platform. My passion lies in the constant evolution of e-commerce and I am motivated by the opportunity to develop innovative solutions that drive business growth. I thrive on the challenges of solving complex problems and enjoy creating a visually appealing and the user-friendly online storage, helping business achieve their goals through e-commerce incredibly fulfill for me. Looking ahead, I am committed to advancing my career in Shopify and e-commerce, aiming to reach new milestone and the contributed future